All right, so I don't know exactly why I didn't record audio, but I know I'm recording it now because it's my third attempt, and 3 times a charm. I wanted to show you guys a drop shot trick on pre-rigging, putting it in your tackle box, not messing it up. So, I always make my drop shots ahead of time, and this way with a barrel connector, I just go ahead and pop it onto my line when I'm ready to go with drop shots. So, whenever I did that, I reach into my tackle box and it's all tangled up and I can't use them. So I thought of something ingenious, probably used by everybody else. First, I use a little bead on the bottom in order to hold my weight. And then I use bobber stoppers. Notice the bobber stoppers right there? There they are. Yes, this is like a Godzilla film. Oh, Godzilla. Oh, Tokyo being destroyed. I use bobber stoppers, so that allows me to adjust the height, depth of my drop shot. Now, not all bobber stoppers are real tight, so what I do is I take my line and I run it through the bottom of my hook, because you want it to sit up, twice. This gives it a little bit of tension on my fishing line. And so with the bobber stoppers and that double loop on the hook, it allows it to stay at the height I want it and still allow me to adjust it to any height I want. So, and then I add a barrel connector up on top. So now that's my drop shot setup. That's how I do it. And you want that hook to sit out there just like that, facing up. That's what you want. Very important. So bobber stoppers allow you to adjust the height. Oh, Godzilla. Oh, Tokyo, a mess. Tokyo, big mess. So he step on people. So how do you keep it from getting messed up? Grab the divider in your Plano tackle box and wrap it around the divider. One divider, one drop shot rig. Just wrap it around. And then reinsert your divider into your tackle box. And that will keep that drop shot rig from getting tangled up and messed up with everything else. I also have, it's a nice size tackle box, so I put my drop shot worms right next to my pre-rigs. And so that's my drop shot area in my Plano tackle box. You'll see it in a second. Yes, look down here, Godzilla. So there's 2 rigs done, which is usually plenty for an outing. And then I just put my drop shot worms right down in there. And voila, that is done. You guys ever see Baby Godzilla back in the day? So cute. They had 2 little fairy girls with, that were magical girls in the Japanese film. But I loved Godzilla. Godzilla was fun. He was a good guy, bad guy. You never know who he was going to step on. So anyway, just wrap it up onto the divider, pop it in there, and you won't have a problem when you get it out to the lake. And that really is a very simple thing. Using bobber stoppers is a really nice thing to do. So if you use the bobber stoppers, it allows you to catch more fish, because if they're lower or higher up on the above the weeds, you could go ahead and adjust your worms.